ladies and gentlemen, in case you're wondering, Filipino girls versus American girls. Mayan buntag.
What?
I'm talking to Christian.
I
And
know.
look at this. Now imagine American girl with a scrub brush scrubbing dirty socks with holes in them. Imagine that. Use your imagination, because you really need your imagination. Now Daisy, now those socks will become rags in about maybe
Yeah.
I will flip them over, Balak Todd, flip them over and use them 1 or 2 more days, put the hole on the top. But imagine this, watch the technique.
Technique?
This is Michael Fazio and
Daisy May
in the Philippines, baby. Oy vey and shalom from Rabbi Drew Barker in the Philippines, baby. That's right. That's right.